Hey guys, hope you're well. There we go, there's decent lighting. So basically, um, sorry I missed last Saturday. You know, I had a concert on that day, jazz concert, which went quite well. Yeah, if I can see so myself. Yes, that took up basically the whole day because I had to travel to get there and stuff, and it took a while. Anyway, so really sorry I missed Saturday. So I'm planning to do 2 videos this week, instead of just the one. Because I'm really lazy, okay, I'm just going to upload this video that I took ages ago. Basically, I went to Russia with my school, and while I was there, I filmed a video of me trying like 3 Russian snacks. It's in English, but yeah. Also, there'll be a seemingly random guy in the background who I'll probably try to edit out, just because I don't think he's totally cool with it being on YouTube. But the rest of it, it's just me. Anyway, so in it, you'll see me like seemingly talking to someone. That's not me going mad, though that's also happening. It's me talking to someone else. Okay, fine, let's go on. I feel like I should have some water first. Okay, so I'm trying some Russian food / drink, and this will probably go horribly wrong. Got a bin here for when I inevitably throw up. Let's start with this can. It's fizzy milk, apparently. Apparently it's disgusting. Oh! Shit. Great start. It's like, it smells like, preserved milk. Don't know if that's the word. Long-lasting milk.
Yeah, that's gross.
It smells like that, and it's not gross. I haven't even drunk it yet. Shut up. I'm definitely gonna need the water. I'm not chugging it. Shut up. Oh, it's really it. Fizzy milk should just not be a thing. It's disgusting. I had the tiniest sip, and it just should not be a thing. Like, I mainly had fizz, and it still tasted disgusting. It should just not exist as a product. Who thought fizzy milk was a good idea? I'm gonna try the Skazochny Rulet next. This should hopefully not be horrible. So it looks just like, well, relatively normal. Could have more water, still got the aftertaste of the milk. Like, fizzy drinks and milk are good by themselves, debatably. Together, they do not go. Definitely something the Soviets made. Okay. I should have got a knife. But it looks like this from this way, and then from the edge, looks like this. Actually, looks relatively nice. Smells nice too. I think I might like this one. I don't have a knife though, so I think I might just have to go for it with fingers. Yeah, I'm getting a nod. Okay, I'm gonna have to do that. Oh. That's not bad. I'll eat this again.
What does it taste like?
What does it taste like? It's like, it's basically like those roly poly type things. It's literally one of those, but Russian. Like it's got some cream, jam, some chocolate on the outside, a lot of sponge. It's good, it's just quite sticky because of the jam. Yeah, I mean, not bad, but would be useful to have a knife. Anyway, that's good. I would eat that again. Last thing, Ciroc. Wait, this one has some, it looks like vanilla in, so it might not be that bad, but there are definitely better things. I've heard that this tastes a bit like reverse vomit. Let's see how true it is, and again, I have the rubbish bin in case. Why Russia? Why? It looks good. And the chocolate's alright. A little bit just on my finger. It's fine. Just, I know this will have cheese in. I think. And I don't know if I'm ready for that. Cheese in chocolate. It's not disgusting, it's just really, really weird. Like, the chocolate's around the outside. The chocolate is fine. It's like slightly dark chocolate, but yeah, it tastes fine. But with the cheese, it's like a Babybel or something like that, I guess. I wouldn't really have it again, but it does taste weird. Just, I think it might have been made out to be slightly more disgusting than it actually was. I'm still going to throw it though. I'm not going to eat anymore. Wait, I can imagine that you might like it if you grew up with it or just generally ate it a lot. But I'm not a fan, really. So, anyway. Really hoped you enjoyed that video. It was definitely an experience for me to make. Just wanted to apologise quickly, first of all, again, for missing the Saturday. As I said, you know, I didn't really have that much time. Also, I'm sorry because I left my my laptop, which has my editing stuff and the everything I used to make thumbnails on at school. So I'm used what I have, but I know it won't be quite the same. Anyway, hope that it hasn't affected it too much, and hope you enjoyed. Yeah, thanks for watching, and bye.